In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Start Menu in Windows 11. Fix Today here. Let's begin. If you're trying to enable the new Start Menu experience in Windows 11, this guide will walk you through the entire process, including enabling hidden features, restoring Start Menu functionality if it's not working properly, and configuring the available Start Menu options. Before getting started, verify your Windows version. The new Start Menu customization features are only available in supported Windows 11 Insider Preview builds, specifically Dev Channel or Canary Channel builds that support the feature. If you're using a standard stable release of Windows 11, these new Start Menu customization options may not be available yet. Once you've confirmed your Windows version, open your web browser and download the latest version of ViVeTool from its GitHub releases page. After the download completes, open the zip file, click Extract All. Choose a folder location where you want to extract the files. For example, you can create a folder called C:\ViVeTool. Click Extract and wait for the process to finish. Next, click the search bar and type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. When the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Now you'll need to navigate to the ViVeTool folder. In Command Prompt, type CD:\ViVeTool. If you extracted ViVeTool to a different location, replace the path with the folder you selected. Press Enter. Now we're ready to enable the new Start Menu. In Command Prompt, type the ViVeTool command shown on screen. As mentioned, check the command displayed on screen and also check the description box below. The command will be available there so you can easily copy and paste it. Keep in mind that Microsoft may change these feature IDs in future Insider builds. If newer builds use different IDs, use the IDs that match your current Windows version. After entering the command, press Enter. If everything works correctly, you should see a message saying Successfully Set Feature Configuration. Once the command completes, close Command Prompt and restart your computer. After the restart, the new Start Menu features should become available. Now let's configure the Start Menu settings. Click the Start Menu and open Settings. Now let's see from the left panel, select Personalization, and click Start. This section controls how the Windows 11 Start Menu behaves and what content appears inside it. Enable Show Recently Added Apps, Enable Show Most Used Apps, and Enable Show Recently Opened Items. In Start Jump Lists and File Explorer. After enabling these options, close Settings. These settings restore commonly used Start Menu items and allow the Start Menu to display more content and useful shortcuts. Next, restart Windows Explorer to refresh the Start Menu interface. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. The taskbar and Start Menu may briefly disappear and then reload automatically. This is normal. If the Start Menu is missing, not opening, or not functioning correctly, you can re-register it using PowerShell. Right-click the Start button, select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. Run the PowerShell command displayed on screen. The exact command is also available in the description box below, so be sure to check there if you need to copy and paste it. Wait for the command to complete. When finished, restart your computer. This process re-registers the Windows Start Menu component and can repair missing or broken Start Menu functionality. You can also repair corrupted Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type SFC/SCANNOW. Press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. After the scan completes, run DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. Press Enter and allow the repair process to finish. Once completed, restart your computer again. These commands repair damaged Windows system files that may prevent the Start Menu from working properly. After Windows finishes restarting, press the Windows key on your keyboard and open the Start Menu. At this point, the new Start Menu features should be available, and you should be able to customize the layout and available sections based on your preferences. These steps allow you to enable and customize the new Windows 11 Start Menu using ViVeTool, including new layout options, customizable sections, and multiple Start Menu sizes available in supported Insider builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.